These instructions are for embedding Credo tutorials and videos into Blackboard Ultra. This allows students to access content from Credo without an extra login step. Use these instructions for library tutorials and videos that begin with Credo in their name. To begin, open your Blackboard Ultra course and navigate to the Course Content section. Click on the plus icon where you want to embed the Credo content and then select Create. Select Teaching Tools with LTI Connection. Change the visibility settings to Visible to Students. It will be hidden from students by default. On the Library Tutorials, Videos, and Quizzes page, copy the link to embed in Blackboard that is associated with the item you want to use. Make sure to use the link that is under the option Link to Embed in Blackboard as web link. In Blackboard Ultra, paste this link into the Configuration URL field. Update all settings as you prefer. Click Save. The Credo content is now visible in your course. Please contact the library with any questions about this process.